Have you ever wondered why some manifestations just don't show up in your life? The truth is, it's not your desire that's blocking you. It's your beliefs. Today, we're going to explore how limiting beliefs secretly hold you back and how to release them so you can unlock your full manifestation power. Limiting beliefs are those thoughts that tell you, "I can't," "it's too hard," or "I don't deserve this." These thoughts create invisible walls in your mind, and your energy vibrates at that same limited level. No matter how many affirmations you repeat, if your underlying beliefs are in conflict, manifestation will feel impossible. The first step is awareness. Notice the beliefs you tell yourself daily. Pay attention to repeated doubts or fears. They are clues to what needs to be released. Next, it's time to challenge those beliefs. Ask yourself, is this really true? Where did this belief come from? Often we adopt beliefs from our family, society, or past experiences that no longer serve us. By questioning them, you start loosening their grip. Then, replace the old beliefs with empowering ones. For example, change "I can't achieve this" to "I am capable and worthy of receiving what I desire." Feel it in your body. The emotion behind the belief is what sets your vibration. Finally, take aligned action. Manifestation isn't about forcing things. It's about feeling the alignment and moving forward with inspired steps. When your inner beliefs match your desires, the universe responds naturally. Remember, your beliefs are the foundation of your reality. Shift them, and you shift everything. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below the belief you are ready to release today. And for a deeper transformation, check out Manifestation Magic version 2, a tool designed to help you clear limiting beliefs and raise your vibration for effortless manifestation. Link is in the description.